Alright guys, welcome to another video. I just got done washing the bike and I can say the winglets held up just nicely. I'm gonna just take it for a little shorter but faster ride to get everything else up dried up in the wind, and then my baby is going back to the garage. I wanted to take this opportunity real quick to make another video and just talk about a couple of things. Yeah, what I have planned for the channel, among other things, and you know, feedback from you guys. I wanted to say thank you very much for 580 subscribers. I just created the channel like a month ago, and I want to really put some work and some of my heart into it, because I love writing and I have such huge passion for it, and I just want to continue to create videos. Just, you know, bear in mind, since I'm a new content creator, I am pretty much new to writing. I've been writing for a year and I'm new to making YouTube videos. So this is sort of like a journey where I take you guys through all the learning process that I'm going through with this bike, and as a new writer, you know, trying to perfect my writing technique, traveling to different cool places and stuff like that. Some of the things that I have planned, I am currently working on finalizing the concept for my final review for this bike. That's going to be dropping around end of April at the start of May, because the weather, this is the first okay day. It's been raining all day and we've got a couple of hours where it isn't complete shit, so I just took the opportunity to wash the bike, and I don't really have much more time because it's, you know, the rain is coming back fast. But yeah, look out for the final review, and also in my posts you can comment if you want to see something specific being talked about. A couple of people have already commented there. Then I'm going to make a video explaining how I motovlog, what setup I use, what camera I use. I mean, you can see all my equipment down below, and I'm trying to think of new ways to, you know, elevate it up to the next level. So if you guys have any ideas for content or things you want to see, always feel free to drop them down below. Yeah, that's, you know, it's sometimes it's really difficult to think about things to talk about and what to upload and stuff like that, and we'll see how it evolves, but I'm pretty happy for now. Just gonna continuously upload videos and post on Instagram and post on TikTok. If you guys haven't followed me there, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because I am much more active on there, obviously, because it's much simpler to just post a single pic of your bike than it is posting a full-blown video. But we'll see how it evolves. We'll see. Time will tell. Time will tell. I'm excited to meet new people and get into new projects and stuff like that. And overall, this season is going to be my first full season where I'm riding from start to finish. My last season only started in June, because that's when I got my license. So it's pretty late, a couple of months later than that. But yeah, I'm actually planning a trip to Italy the end of May. That's going to be pretty cool. Hopefully I can film some footage there. I'm also going to Greece in June, where I will be taking my X4, and I'm also thinking of renting a bike there, to like a 125 or something like that. Just mess with it, mess around with it, do some wheelies and stuff like that. Just really you know, just enjoying Greece. But I'm rambling, you know, I'm rambling. I'm just excited to be able to ride a little bit today. It's better than nothing for the past couple of weeks. And just make sure you drop feedback in the comments if you think I could improve something. Yeah, I'm also pretty new to cutting video and editing video and stuff like that. I can do a lot of things, but that isn't one of my strengths. So the videos are hopefully gonna get better gradually over time. I'm hoping, at least, but we'll see. Besides that, I was actually thinking of also doing test rides with bikes, like testing bikes. Like, I'll just go up to the Triumph guy and be like, yo, I want to test ride the Daytona. I want to test ride a couple of different bikes to see what else is on the market, and then give you guys a good comparison to those bikes and to the CBR, especially the Suzuki GSX-8R. I want to do a full test ride on, because a lot of people have been saying, oh, it's the best bike ever in that price class, and why didn't you get it, and stuff like that. So especially with me having had this bike now for 1600 kilometers, I think I can give a fair review on this, especially since it's pretty much the same bike as in the last years. Not much has changed. And then I will be giving a deeper insight as to which bike I prefer, which bike I think is better. Right now I think this is a really good balance between sportiness and comfort. With the Suzuki, your handles are going to be like up here. It's not really my riding style. I noticed that from my Suzuki that I am selling right now. So those things are planned. Let me know which one of these things you're more interested in, and then I will hopefully see you guys in future uploads. Thank you very much for supporting the channel, supporting me, supporting my endeavors, and I hope you guys continue to follow, watch, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Stop recording.